All right, so you've seen some profits and you've seen some screenshots of people making money using something called tap to trade. You might have gotten on this specific call or this video because you're like, you know what? I want to participate. I want to make some more money. Well, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to run through some information on exactly how you can start to participate in what's called tap to trade. So let me go ahead, let me share my screen, and we're going to jump right into it. All right, so you're going to first want to be a part of xauusd. But what is tap to trade? So tap to trade, guys, is a new software where you can actually just connect a broker directly to tap to trade, right? So you just pick the account number, password, right, the broker name, and the server. Once you're connected, an educator, a part of xauusd, will actually send you a trade alert straight to the app. Once you get that alert, you can tap that, right? You can tap approve. All the information that is in that trade will get directly put onto your broker of choice. That trade will become active. Once the trade goes into profit, you have the option to secure your own profits. But also, guys, the educators can also manage those trades for you. So they can actually move the stop loss into profit. They can also close the trades out if they get close to take profit. As you guys can see there on the right-hand side, you can see that the trade is getting very, very close to take profit. So we have the ability to close that out, right? Or just like I said, move the stop loss to break even. So then it's a risk-free trade, completely mindless for you guys. Don't have to worry about that. Here's some results. You know, we have Jenna made over $2,400 using tap to trade in a day. You can see gold trades, Euro JPY trades. We have somebody else that made 4 different trades, won them all. We have Kim that made over $370. We have another gentleman that made over $62, in one of the days of using tap to trade. But we also have an option here with xauusd that we've decided to collab with a company called TradeX Mastery. And if you've never heard of a prop firm before, it's very, very simple. Basically, a prop firm's purpose is to help you have more funds to trade with. Because you might be on this video right now thinking to yourself, hey, I don't have a lot of money. And I'd love to participate in tap to trade, but you know what? I just don't have the funds. Well, with TradeX Mastery, you can actually purchase what's called a challenge. And this challenge is where you guys actually will have access to anywhere from $25,000 up to $200,000 that you're going to trade with. Now, there's 2 phases that you have to pass first in order to get the funds. But once you pass those 2 phases, any money that you make with the money that you got from the challenge, guys, you get to keep up to 90%. So let's just say hypothetically, you start with a $100,000 account. You basically just have to profit in that account $10,000 one time and then $8,000 a second time. Once you've done that twice, then any profit that you make with that $100,000 account, let's say you go and make $10,000 again, you get to keep up to 90% of that, $9,000 of that profit money. So this is a great way for you guys to get access to more money. You can get access to xauusd for $150. You can get a challenge for $225. So really, all in is right around $375 to get access, to the prop firm and to xauusd. But guys, thank you so much. That is tap to trade.